everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make blueberry banana smoothie. It's so healthy and so good. So first off, here I have a ginormous avocado. Since avocado are out of season, I'm using this one because I found this one. I didn't get the green ones. So these ones, they are usually a little bit sugary, just a little bit. So it's going to make our smoothie even more yummier. So I'm going to use a small knife and cut through the avocado, making a round movement. Then you're going to twist, and voila, you have your avocado. It is not one of the best avocados. I know you people, you've seen so good avocados, but it's still going to work. You can't throw this away. So because this is for my morning smoothie, I'm going to add this in my blender. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to cut my avocado in chunks, just chunks, using my spoon. There you have it. Then now you'll use a knife, remove the seed, and repeat. So this is just fiber from the avocado, so don't worry about it. There you go. So here I have a handful of blueberries. So I'm going to add, and they're clean, I'm going to add a handful of blueberries to my blender. So you can have blueberries when you are on a low carb diet because they don't usually have sugar. They're just a little bit sour, and that makes your smoothie even more healthier. So also I'm going to add a little bit of milk to help us blend. Adding milk to our smoothie is going to increase the fats. Although our avocado has fats in it, we also need a little bit of fat. So this is low skim milk. It doesn't have a lot of fats. So that is what I'm using. Yeah, so let's blend. Then as it blends, you're going to add a handful of chia seeds. Pour your smoothie in a glass, and it's so thick and creamy. And it has that shade of blueberries and avocado, the greenish avocado, but it's looking so good. So you'll notice that you can see the chia seeds from my glass. So if you're looking forward to lose weight, this is the smoothie because it doesn't have any sugar. It's just there. I know you understand what I mean. The creaminess from the avocado and the blueberries bring out a very nice taste, but trust me, there's no sugar. So this is so healthy. So you have to try. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll hope to catch you on my next one.